Guys wanted to hear the speaker play. I'm gonna find some non-copyrighted music and play it whenever I'm doing the video. But this is for the GRDE solar Bluetooth speaker. Really love this thing. I really want to do the product right by playing some music on it, so we'll get to that. Okay guys, I'm going to play some music on that speaker. As you can see, I am connected as the top one, EST60. There it is, sitting there waiting to roll. Again, it is the GRDE Bluetooth speaker, and it is solar powered. So let's get to that and play something for you guys, show you exactly how it works. I'm going to play off of the actual review that I'm going to be putting up right now, so here you have it. Now again, the volume and everything, I'm only controlling it with the MacBook, so it'll be louder when you're doing a straight shot from like your phone or whatever. So as you guys can see, it plays pretty well. It'll definitely turn it up for you guys. Definitely handle whatever you want to throw at it. Like I said, I thoroughly enjoyed this. I hope this helps some of you guys out. I'll crank it up one more time for you as soon as I get back into it. Well, there you go. I hope that helps you guys. Anybody has any concerns or anything about the speaker, please ask. I'll answer. I try to help you guys out as best I can. I found this uncopyrighted material, so there you go.